Hello friends, welcome back to Learn by Round, and today we are going to discuss about one of the most important topics from Intel point of view as well as for testing point of view. So let's understand how to do parallel testing using the Selenium. So firstly we need to understand what is parallel execution. Okay, then we will learn how we can do parallel executions, and then why do we need parallel executions, and what is thread count. Okay, and what happens if thread count is less than the method counts. Okay, so firstly we understand what is parallel execution. So parallel executions is nothing but, let's take me a very good example of, if you want to run the 100 test cases. Okay, now as we know that the Selenium WebDriver run the first test case, then second, so it will take time. Okay, now we run to run 100 test cases at a time. So how we can do that? With the help of the parallel executions. Okay, so why do we need parallel executions? Okay, so it's clear now. Now let's understand with the practical example how we can do that. Okay, so let me open my class. Okay, okay. So we can start with the simple example of, let me create a one class here, that is name is testing parallel execution. Okay, parallel, that's fine. Now finish it. Let's suppose we have the two test methods. First one is at the rate, as we are using the TestNG annotations. Okay, so let me create one method, public void method one. Okay, I will explain you with Selenium browser launching. Okay, but right now need to be understand the first how we can do that exactly. So, so you can easily understand what we are doing. Okay, so let me print it out. Running method one. Okay, now I'm gonna create another method, just copy and pasting and simply changing the name of the method to and method 2. Okay, so if we run it, it will first, if without any interruption. So you can see that if I'm running like this, so you will see the method 1, method 2 is running. Okay, but how we can identify this is running parallelly or not? So what we need to, now I'm convert to TestNG. Okay, and here you can see the options parallel mode. So there is options method, class, test. Okay, so what is the exactly mean of that? Parallel mode means how we are doing the methods. If we are running with the methods, so the execution would be parallel run with the methods. If we are applying the class level, so it would be run at the class level. Okay, same for the test. And what about the thread count? So thread count is nothing but, if we are giving the three thread count, so three parallel thread would be run at a time. Let me take a example, then you can clarify it. Let's suppose I'm running with a method name and the thread count is 2. Okay, now I'm creating this. Let me go back and give the unique name TestNG3. Okay, now next this one and finish. Okay, Now to identify we are running with the same thread or another thread. So let me add one thread method here, that is thread dot thread current thread dot get id. Okay, please watch carefully. Okay, so you will get proper idea about it. Okay, so something I'm doing here. So what we have done in our TestNG XML, let me open it. We have run, let me delete it because we are not doing the parallelism at the test level. So here you can see the thread count is 2 in parallel methods. Okay, so method level we are doing that. Now let me run it, run as TestNG suite. Okay, let me go to the console. So let me give a space here, so you will get it the proper identity. So here you can see the running method, the thread count is same 1 and 1. Why? Because the thread count is 2 and the method is 2. Let me save it. Might be it is not saved because the thread should be another. Why? No. I'm not doing test suite level. Let me run again. So here you can see the ID is 16 for running method 1 and the ID is 17. It's mean it's opening in two threads. Okay. Now what we have discussed, what happens if the thread count is less than method count. Okay. So let me create one more method, that is method 3. Okay. And let's see now what is happening. Thread count is 2 but the method, how many methods are 3? It's mean the thread is less than our methods. So let's see what will happen. So here you can see the method 1 and the method 3. These are running with same thread. Means if the thread count is less than the methods, so it will run, or we can say it will take one thread and run it. Okay. Now let's come to the other. Now might be the picture is not clear. Let me explain with browser launching of the Selenium. Okay. So now let me take cut copy paste. Okay. So you will get a proper understanding about it. Okay. So directly cut copy pasting. Okay. In this class. So this is my first class. Okay. And the same I will do for the second. Give me a unique name launching to. And this should be already we have declared. So no, it's fine. Okay. And also we need to do a parallel testing. Okay. Okay, that's fine. neutral. So here you can see there is two method. Okay, the first one is what launching, and the second two launching two. Okay, and we are doing the same scenario. We are doing the parallel with the method and thread count two. So what is my expectation is two browsers should be open. Why? Because we are doing the parallel execution at method level. So let's see. Oh no no no. Testing parallel. Okay, let me run as TestNG soon. So let's see what will happen. See, there is two browser launched at a time. This is the first one and this is the second one. So this is how it is working. So if you have any doubt query, please comment below and keep watching my video for more updates and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.